How's it going, everybody? Thanks for watching another video. It's Wednesday here today, Wednesday afternoon. Pretty windy day here, so I'm not going to get out of the cab. We've been going pretty steady on silage here today. Tried making some early again yesterday and it worked good all afternoon. Then around 5-6 o'clock it wasn't going very good again. Seems like around all the low spots in the field the corn is just too green yet. Thinking about possibly chopping around those low spots with the chopper, making silage out of that so that they can just take the rest of the field for earlage. But we'll see what tomorrow brings. Maybe we'll try that tomorrow. It's been going pretty good here today. They've had two choppers going, one right just off the yard here, and then one half-mile south of us. The same field, but we've split it in two. One chopper's working on the south part, one chopper's working on the north part. We finished that first 300-acre field here 2 days ago, and then the second chopper went to a field a half-mile north of the farm. It was a 100-acre field. They finished that in a day yesterday. They had a pretty decent day there. Now they're both on this field right around the farm. There's one is working on a 400-acre field and the other one's working on about a 200-acre field. So they've been coming in pretty steady here, keeping the packing tractors pretty busy. It's too windy today to put on plastic. We were planning to put on at least one 100-foot piece, maybe two. We'll see how far they get with the pile. We've got some kids from the local wrestling club here in town. They come and help us put plastic and tires on, so they're coming also tomorrow at about 6:30 or so. So we should hopefully get to, at least one full piece on, and we'll see if we can get the second one on. I was able to get my drone up yesterday to take some of the filming of the packing here and a little bit of the chopping. So we'll probably have Taryn put that in here. And then maybe we'll end this video with us covering this pile. And there will be more chopping videos in the future. Just haven't had much time to get out to the field. As you see there, a truck with bales just came by again. We've been busy unloading bales in the yard here. So that's what's been going on today. I'm gonna head over there and unload Darren. He's bringing round bales of baleage, individual wrap bales. So we'll get him unloaded, and then tomorrow when we put some plastic on, I'll try to do some filming of that. We'll see you then. 5:30. Got everything prepared and ready to put some plastic on the pile. The wrestling kids are coming out around 6:30, and some of our guys that aren't working will be coming also to help. The sheets that we put on this pile there, they unroll 200 feet over the width and unfold 105 feet the length. So we'll put one sheet on for sure, maybe two. We'll see how it goes. There is a little bit of a wind coming from the south. We don't have a lot of wind protection, so we'll see how the first sheet goes. If it goes not too bad, we'll put a second one on. Otherwise, we'll put some more on tomorrow probably. It's been going pretty steady here today. We've made quite a bit of progress. Two choppers have been going all day pretty good. I don't think they've had much issues at all. We did switch fields. There's one variety right around the farm here, probably 150 acres or so. That's a little on the dry side, been around 40-45%, which is quite a bit drier than I'd like. So I had the other chopper go to a field that I thought was greener. That one's running around 30-31%, so should blend in the pile decent, get us closer to where we want to be. I think they'll finish that dry variety today, and then they'll be back into some corn that was around 33% dry matter, so shouldn't be too big of a deal. We'll just as we feed it out, we're always testing the silage as we're going, so it'll when that dry matter changes a little on the pile, we'll make adjustments as needed. Just wanted to fill you guys in there. I'll try to get some footage of us putting the plastic on. It's Friday afternoon here, just about Friday night I suppose. Just bringing some tires to the top of the pile to get ready for tomorrow morning. Yesterday evening we put a sheet and a half. We put one full sheet on, and then we folded out half of the next sheet. So tomorrow morning the wrestling kids will be coming back again. They helped us yesterday with a couple sheets there, putting some tires on and folding the plastic out. So we're just getting ready for that. We had a few loads of new tires that we bought this year. So I'm taking those bundles up there, and I have to cut the metal straps off that they use to keep them together. I did some filming of us putting the plastic on yesterday, and then I also got some drone footage of the chopping, so we'll probably put that in this video. We've made pretty good progress here so far. We have probably about 100 acres, maybe a little over 100 acres left on the piece around the farm here. They're just finishing up one field, just a half-mile east of the farm, or a mile east. And then we've got 2 quarters of silage left after that. They'll do the one. The other one needs about another week or so before it's ready. That corn, the kernels are just starting to dent now, so it's not quite ready yet. So we'll probably cover the pile and then uncover it again when that corn is ready. And hopefully after tomorrow we'll get back on earlage. It's been a little bit of a struggle on earlage, just around all those low areas. The corn is too green and it just doesn't want to feed through the pipe of the chopper. But hopefully after 2-3 days of silage here, we'll try it again and it'll go, but we'll find out when we get there, I guess. We've made quite the pile already. A few more good days left, and then yeah, we'll be close to wrapping up here with silage anyways, other than that one field. And that'll probably be it for this video. If you guys have any questions or comments, put them down below and I'll try to answer them if I can. And hopefully we'll see you in the next video, and hopefully we'll get some footage of earlage, because I'd like to get the earlage done as well here in the next week or so we can get everything wrapped up and start to do some other jobs around the farm. But yeah, appreciate you guys watching, and hopefully we'll see you in the next one.